So, we have received new Android N's update and we are excited. So let's get to it.
Hello everyone, as you can see that I have got this notification to download new Android 7.0 Nougat today only. So I am downloading it and let's see what it has in store for us.
Jump cut 1.
As you can see that upload has been downloaded on my phone and we are ready to install this new update. So let's restart and install. So I think that we will require a jump cut here because it's going to take a while.
Jump cut 2.
The phone has started installing this software update and I think we will require another jump cut here because it's going to take a while again.
Jump cut 3.
So the software installation is done and we are back to the operating system, and let's enter the pattern and see what is there.
Optimizing apps, man.
Looking at the infamous screen that is optimizing apps. So as we are aware that this screen takes a lot of time to optimize application and it takes a lot of time to boot to the operating system. And one thing to notice is that Android people were saying that you won't be seeing this screen in Android N, but somehow we end up seeing this screen on Android N. So I don't know what is happening there.
Jump cut 4.
We are finally booted to Android N, and as you can see there are some notifications pending. So let me pull down that bar.
Notifications.
So we are seeing this new kind of notification panel and it looks awesome, and as you can see that there are two buttons here, archive and reply. So I can reply to this message right from the notification panel. So let me click that button. Alright, so it takes me directly to the mail composition screen. Alright, I'm not going to send mail to anyone, but yeah, that is how this feature works. Alright.
Multi-screens, split view.
Now let's see how the multi-screen thing works. So let me launch one app. Let us launch this Gmail application. Okay, so long pressing this square button will split the view into two parts. So let's do it. Alright, so as you can see that the Gmail is taking the upper portion of the screen and we can see that Android multitasking window here. So we can switch app and put one app in the foreground. So let's do it. Let's pull this one app in the foreground, Bluetooth. Alright, so as you can see we can work on two apps side by side.
Multitasking.
Look at how multitasking screen works. So this is the view you get when you press that square button. Now as you can see that there is one clear all button in this version, while in the earlier version we got to see that tiny little 3 squares to dismiss all of the applications. Now we have this clear all, and let me just clear one application. Let me clear this dialer. Okay, so we are done with the dialer, and let me clear all. Alright, so we are done with all of those applications and those applications are terminated now. Great.
Multitasking.
Android has included new type of quick switch model so that we can switch between apps just like alt tab in Windows operating system. So let's see how we can do it. So as you can see that Bluetooth is launched and I was using Prisma before this. So let me see that if I can get back to Prisma with just double tapping this square button. Alright, so I'm back to Prisma, and if I want to get back to that Bluetooth screen I just have to double tap this square button. So let's do it. Alright, so that is how this quick switching between the applications using this square button works.
Jump cut 5.
Android has received new emojis. So let's review those emojis. Let me go back to my SMS screen and just open one message, and in reply message press this smiley button. Alright, so as you can see, that there are new emojis. I mean, these are the same emojis, but you know, these are more colored now. Right? I don't know why this camera is not zooming properly. Maybe due to the fact that I am recording using my other hand. But see, these are the same emojis which are available in the earlier versions of Android, but these are more polished now and more customized to match up with Android N's theme.
Settings.
In Android N, we have this new settings panel as well. So let's see. Let me launch settings. Alright, so as you can see that there are one new sections, suggestions, and it is having 2 items. So the other previous settings are just below this new suggestions panel, and I think that rest of the settings are just like the settings in other version of Android. So yeah, let me press that. Okay, so it will take me directly to this voice assistant setup screen. Okay, cool.
So yeah, that is all about new Android N's update. And if you like what you have seen, please do like my channel and do subscribe to it and share my channel and share my videos so that I can keep myself motivated to produce more of this kind of videos. Thank you all for watching.